Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Edmond Mendaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve the HTTP error 304 not modified. So this is a status code. It means that your browser and the websites are having trouble communicating, and it indicates that information wasn't properly sent from your browser to the site server, which is preventing you from seeing the web page you're trying to access. Alright, so without further ado, and let's go ahead. Ang first solution na pwede natin gawin ay yung clear your browser cache. Kung paano ba gawin yan? So dito lang sa ating Chrome web browser, so dito na sa top right corner, iselect mo lang dito yung 3 dot icon. And then next ay kailangan mo lang select dito yung more tools. So dito sa more tools, kailangan mo lang iselect yung clear browsing data. And then pop up ito mga kaibigan. Ang next step ay kailangan mo lang i-click tong browsing history, cookies and other site data, cache image and files. So kailangan naka-check itong box dito. Okay, and then next ay click mo lang itong clear data. Alright, and the next solution na pwede natin gawin if the error is still persists, ang pwede natin gawin ay disable or remove your browser extensions. Kung paano ba gawin yan? So dito na sa top right corner, i-click mo lang tong 3 dot, and then next ay click mo lang tong extension. And then next ay kailangan mo lang i-click tong manage extension. So dito sa lahat ng extension ng ating Google Chrome ay kailangan mo lang dito i-disable or i-remove. Okay, so i-disable lang natin. Ganyan, ganito siya. Alright. And then ganun lang po kasimple mga kaibigan. So napaka-easy lang kung paano natin i-fix ang HTTP error 304 not modified status code. Okay, so please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.